Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you to treat your itching body, especially after bathing. If your body itches you, especially after bathing, get the following ingredients. The first item you need to prepare the remedy is the neem leaves from the neem tree. The neem tree is very common. Some people call it the dogoyaro. In your language too, it may have its own name. So please kindly show the picture to the people around. They can help you to identify the neem leaves. A lot of people know the neem tree because it is very useful. It is antifungal, antibacterial, and then antiviral. So it has so many uses. Some people use it to treat malaria. If you have malaria and then you boil it, you drink half a glass twice daily, you'll be free. So because it is used to treat malaria, which is a very common problem, a lot of people know this. Even people use it to treat pimples. If you have pimples and then you grind it and then apply it on your face and then wait for 30 minutes before washing your face, you see that if you do this for a week, the pimples will just leave your face for good. If you also have acne on your face or dark spots and then you grind the leaves and then apply on your face, wait for 30 minutes and wash it off, it will go. Even some people use it to spray their crops so that no insect can touch the crop, whether the crop is a vegetable or any other crop. They just pound the leaves and then the seeds. So when they pound the leaf and then the seeds, what they do is that they will just add warm water to it, cover it overnight. So the following day you just sieve it and then you pour it inside the spraying machine, then use it to spray your crops, and then no insect can just come to it. So this is a very powerful insecticide. Because of the uses of this particular plant, a lot of people know it. So please kindly make sure that you also ask the people around so that they help you to identify the neem leaves. Now let's look at the next item that you are going to use to prepare the remedy for body itching. The next item you need to prepare the remedy is onion. The onion can be the white one or the red one or any kind of onion. So this is available on the market. When you go to the market, you can easily get onion. This is just the onion that we know and then we use to cook. So you just have to get some of it and then use it for this particular remedy. Now let's look at the next item that you need. Now the next item you need to prepare the remedy is white vinegar. It can be any brand at all. This is also very common at the market. When you go to the market, kindly go to those people who sell baking ingredients. They usually sell this kind of white vinegar. Now let's look at the last item you need. The last item you need to use to treat the problem of itching body is olive oil. It can be any brand at all. It doesn't have to be the brand that you see on the screen. So any type of 100% pure olive oil that you can get on the market, you can use it for this particular remedy. Now let's look at how you are going to prepare the remedy. You are getting the neem leaves and then the onions. What you are supposed to do is that every morning you boil a handful of the neem leaves and then the onion. You boil it for 30 minutes and then you use it to bath. So every day you are going to boil a handful. You use that handful for the morning and then the evening. What you do is that after bathing with your normal soap and sponge with clean water, you use the water from the neem leaves and then the onion to also rinse your body. You just use it when it is warm, please. It should not be hot, but when it is warm, use it to rinse your body and then you allow it to dry. So when it dries on you, you now apply the white vinegar. You apply the white vinegar and then you allow that one to also dry. It is not going to take a long time for it to dry. So after drying, you now apply the olive oil on your body. You are going to use the olive oil as your cream for the week. So you do this morning and evening for a week, and then you see that you are going to be fine. The body is not going to itch you after bathing again. Please, this is all about how to treat the problem of body itching after bathing or any body itching that you have. But note also that you are also going to drink some of the water from the onion and then the neem leaves. So kindly take note about that. In our next video, we shall talk about remedy for stubborn typhoid that has made the person to grow lean. So please kindly subscribe to the channel so that you also benefit from that video. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.